ball game po. Nice reception. Sinet po. Not over. Kailangan na daw pong hinaan kasi past 9 na. Bulungan na lang tayo. Score pa rin po ng Yani. Score po 2 serving 0. Nice service po. Oh, nice hustle. Oh, nice over. Ooh, nice set. Wow, nice drop. Nice dig, nice set. Ooh, nice follow. Wow. Wow, amazing. Ooh. Hindi nakuha, point for Team Yani. Score po natin, 3 serving 0 in favor of Team Yani. Nice reception. Set up to the quattro. Oh, nice dig by Andre Mendoza. Too near. Oh! Point for Team Yani. Kailangan maka-side out ng Team Alon. This is a 4-0 start for Team Yani. Nice serve. Inside. Point for Team Yani. Service for Team Yani, number 11. Good serve. Nice reception. Set up to the open. Nice dig. Set. Nice block. Point for Team Alon. Now service. Sino daw po magsa-service? Magsa-serve na ang best server. Number 5. Nice serve. Oops. Oops. Nag-crossing. Point for Team Alon. Still serving, Chris Recto, the reigning best server. Good serve. Set up to the open. Ooh, nice lead. Kaya lang walang second ball. Point for Team Yani. Service from Team Yani, their setter. Nice reception. Set up to the back row. Nice over ball by Cheese. Set up to the middle. Oh, nice dig. Oh, that was mistimed by Vincent. Point for Team Yani. Time out, Team Alon. Again, we would like to take this opportunity to thank our sponsors for making this event possible. Nexa Vegetables, Mandala, Capital Dental Center, PLDT High Speed Hitters, Shakes, Conveni, Andre Felix for the Pocari Sweat, Kuya Bob Fish Finishing Services, and Kuya Jojo Sumiko. We would also like to acknowledge and thank you our photographers for this event. Mike Santiago, Elizar Orejola, Kevin Corpus, and Arnel XC. And with that, there is a service ace by Team Yani. Our score, 8 serving 2. Lamang po ng 6 ang Team Yani. Can Team Alon make the comeback? Inside! Point for Team Yani. They need to communicate and get the first ball. Let's go, Team Alon. Nice service. Better reception. Set up to the open. Nice dig. Oh! Score for Team Alon. But we would like to commend the floor defense of Team Yani. Talagang mahirap patayan ng bola. Now serving Team Alon, number 9, Vincent. Nice service. Set up. Oh! Into the block and into the court. Point for Team Yani. Score po natin 10 serving 3. Good service. Nice reception. Set up, drop ball. Nice reception from the open. Oops! Nice one. Set up to the open. Nice dig. Oops! Chance ball. Kinuha ni Chris Recto. Sinat up sa open. Oh! Not over. Point for Team Yani. We are feeling the fatigue. Ng Yani. Nice serve. Reception. Open. Drop ball. But there was again a defense from Team Yani. Oh! Oh! There was a net touch. Point for Team Yani. This is a 9-point lead. Kaya pa daw, sabi ng Team Alon. Nice serve. Oh! Talagang ayaw magpapatay ng bola ng Team Yanig. Oh! Score for Team Alon. Talagang pinapahirapan ng Team Yanig kasi ayaw magpapatay ng bola. Now serving for Team Alon, number 8, Anton Camacho. Outside. Point for Team Yani. Yani. Change court. Again, to clarify po, this final and decider set up to 25 with only one deuce. Ang score po natin, 4 for Alon and 13 for Yani. Continuing to serve for Team Yani, number 28, Martinez. Reception from Camacho. Open, drop ball. With the defense. Check ball! Point for Team Yani. Can Team Alon get their groove? Let's go! Continuing to serve for Team Yani, number 28, Martinez. Good serve, nice reception. Set up to the open. Oh! Not over. And nasira ang necklace. Score for Team Yani, 15 serving 4. Good serve. Oh, over ball. Get set to the middle. Outside. Point for Team Alon. Now serving for Team Alon, number 13, Cheese. Nice service. Targeted the setter. Nice dig. Set up to the cuatro. Oh, not over. Point for Team Yani. Oh! Now serving for Team Alon, their setter number 7. Set up to the open. This is now a 3-0 run from Team Alon. Score po natin 9, serving 16. Good serve. Over ball. That is now a 5-0 run. Time out, Team Yeti. Reminder lang daw po sa ating mga audience, pag-lower daw ang ating mga voices sa pag-cheer. It's beyond 9 AM na daw po. So, yeah. Let's cheer but not so loud. Thank you po. Back to the ball game. Now serving Team Alon. Good serve. Set up to the middle. Drop shot. Oh, nice one. Score for Team Yeti. Ang score po natin, 17-10 in favor of Team Yeti. Nice serve. Into the open. Hey. Score for Team Alon. Score po natin, 11, serving 17. Oh, back row player. Nag-over po ang set. Point for Team Yeti. Score po natin is 18, serving 11. Serve. Drop shot. Open. Oh, not over. Point for Team Alon. Open. Point for Team Alon. Dalawa na lang po.
Serving for the championship. Oh, it was a good one. Oh, what a nice save. Unique still has 3 championship points. Serving for Alon, number 13.
Substitution for Team Alon, 13 out, 23 in the end. 21 serving 24. Good serve. Nice reception. Oh!